The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 17 for further details.
This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, LaPorte, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass. Blizzard warning in effect until 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening to 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. A winter storm warning has also been issued. This winter storm warning for snow and blowing snow is in effect from 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening to 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. Hazardous weather timing: bands of moderate to heavy lake effect snow will continue through this evening. Snow accumulations, generally ranging between 3 and 7 inches. Due to the nature of lake effect snow, exact totals may vary significantly depending on where the heavier snow bands set up. Blowing snow. Snowfall will be accompanied by very strong wind today, diminishing tonight, with northwest gusts as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour through this afternoon. The strong wind will result in whiteout conditions at times. Even locations which do not receive the heavier snowfall will likely experience periodic whiteout conditions through early this evening before wind begin to subside. Dangerous cold. Wind chills are expected to fall to between 10 below and 20 below zero tonight into Sunday morning. Impacts: visibilities will be reduced to near zero at times with whiteout conditions. Strong wind gusting up to 45 miles per hour Saturday may result in some power outages. Bitterly cold wind chills may lead to frostbite in 30 minutes or less. A winter storm warning for snow and blowing snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow and very strong wind are forecast that will make travel difficult or impossible at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong wind and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Repeating, a blizzard warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday, or 7 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, LaPorte, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass.